It's a beautiful day. Here's the rules and regulations for this little place. Lead the way, Yuki. Hey. No, Yuki, you can't go in the water. It's too cold. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Here's where we started over there. This is the car. Oh yeah, now the ducks and geese over on that side, they're no dummies. They know Yuki's coming. Looks nice over here, but when you get into this little channel over here, it's kind of muddy looking. Still, oh, there's a blue heron that just flew by. See him landing? Cool. Still, it's pretty cool because there's no wind, so you can see that reflection. Color. And I never noticed this little creek or whatever it is comes off this way and goes back that way into the woods to who knows where. But I don't want to follow it because I don't see any kind of good trail to get back there. Maybe I'll find it on the other side one day. That'd be cool. The woods. Let's go this way, Yuki. Come on. Yuki! Come on. Come on, Butchie. Come on. Uh-oh, here comes a doggy. That's a cool picture. The reflections are killer. Here's that little new area. I used to park right here. In all the other videos, you can see my car is just parked on the gravel and the dirt. This is pretty nice. Even trash can and bench. Handicap parking. Recyclable trash can. Yuki, come on, get up. Oh, awesome. Thank you. I don't know if you can read it because it's so glaring. Oh well. Let's go see what's through here, Yuki. Oh, we don't want to go that way. They have a frisbee golf, so let's go the other way. Ew, what are these? Look. I hope this camera is picking it up. It's not really purple, more like violet, isn't it? I bet you they're not any good to eat. But this whole tree is covered with them. Pretty cool. It's a little fishing hole. What are you doing, huh? You're all dirty now, look at you. The poo bag windmill, because down at the base of it there you have some dog poop bags. Cool. There we go. Some natural Christmas ornaments. Nice. Got some color too. Nice. Here's some more of those purple berries in the light. You probably see them a lot better. Yeah, there we go. Cool. Hey, can I have some of those purple berries? Here's a whole row of pine trees. I'll take a picture of what it looks like normal, and then hold on and I'll post the infrared on it. Here's the pine trees closer. Pretty big. Isn't that right, Yuki? Yuki! There she goes. She's getting tired, but so am I. Look at the underneath of these pine trees. They're just loaded with pine cones. See them all up there? Let me see. There we go. Look at them all. This is loaded. Pine cone heaven. It says, what is this? I'm thinking maybe cockfighting ring. I don't know. But it can't be because it's at a public park.